You see the card? It says, to Miora, love Kenny, Mindy, and Courtney. Yeah, that's Auntie Mindy. Yeah, and open this up. Beautiful bag. What's in here? What is in here? What's in here? Uh-oh, we tied it in a knot. What's in here? What's this? What's that? Can you pull it out? Pull! Pull, pull, pull! Pull, 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 pull! What is that? Look, it's Dearies! It's Dearies! That's nice. What else is in here? Oopsie. Oopsie. Look at that. Woo, skinny jeans.
Those are pretty good.
Skinny jeans. That might not be necessarily a jammy top, you know. What else is in here? You putting, yeah, that's how you put your Totos on it. Oh, and look at this. I have to get some scissors.
Miora. Miora. Hey. What you doing over there?